Let's do question 5.4. The graphs of g of x is equal to 2x plus 6 and the inverse of g as shown in the diagram alongside. D and B are the x-intercepts and y-intercepts respectively of g. C is the x-intercept of the inverse of g. The graphs g and the inverse of g intersect at A. And then in question 5.1, we know that the coordinates of B are these. And then from question 5.3, we got that the coordinates of A are -6, -6. We need to find the distance AB. So we have to use the distance formula. AB is equal to the square root of xb minus xa squared plus yb minus ya squared. So AB is equal to the square root of 0 minus -6 squared plus 6 minus -6 squared. AB is equal to square root of 6 squared plus 12 squared, which is equal to the square root of 180. AB is equal to 6 root 5. Or we can say 13,42.